a correction is happening in the entire Bitcoin market. Today is the day that the Shiba Inu price is going to be considered. Anxieties has gripped some investors. However, there have been major indications from specialists as of late. Also, the incredible part. A major announcement was made by BlackRock not long ago. Shiba Inu could be saved. Even more shocking, though, is the fact that the Shiba Inu programmers are back. Something major appears to be on the horizon for them. Tell me what's happening.
Where am I going with this?
Let me clarify. Here at Wealthy Coins, we are pleased to provide you with Shiba every day. If Shiba is something that piques your interest, you have come to the right place. Sign up now if you want to remain abreast of the crypto industry's newest developments and get the most recent news predictions. Make sure you hit the like button to get more SHIB news. Shiba Inu seemed to have come to a sudden standstill today. Its sudden and severe fall following yesterday's huge price gain surprised many traders. The terror spread fast. People start to get scared, wondering if this is just the beginning of a far worse downturn. Some acted quickly to sell, thinking the market may fall even more. But Shiba Inu made a comeback a few hours after that, just enough to lessen the horror, but not enough to make it completely disappear. The result stays negative. A decline of almost 15%. Nevertheless, for some others, that small win brought a huge relief. Is this really just a temporary downturn at the moment? Is something more substantial about to happen? This is when it gets interesting. Shiba Inu never really recovered, no matter how much the community tried. There were reports that the burn rates increased, leading to the removal of millions of coins from circulation. There was no change to the price despite the severe burn. According to a specialist, a Shiba Inu's metabolic rate increased by a factor of 4 in just one day. All told, nearly 60 million coins were destroyed, the majority of which were destroyed in a single transaction. However, despite this, the price has not moved, staying put within the same range following a steep drop earlier this week. Has been struggling to break through a key resistance level since the beginning of February. Just a few days ago, something happened. The fact that the stock has been mostly unaffected by record-high burns has investors wondering what is holding Shiba Inu back. Maybe you're thinking about it. Tell me what's happening. The Shiba Inu has been acting erratically recently. What gives? How did these unpredictable swings come to pass? Let us take a step back and look at the big picture. Bitcoin appears to have been behaving similarly. It has lately dropped from the upper 90s to the middle 85s. Nonetheless, it seems to be gaining strong support at that level, which is a positive element. An analyst clarified the matter, suggesting that Bitcoin might still be gearing up for its next move despite this dip. Following a small reversal the day before, Bitcoin is now sitting just above a crucial support zone. More than $200 million worth of transactions were erased as a result of the widespread liquidations caused by the sudden drop. If Bitcoin bulls will rally and drive up the price, that is the important question. Is this just the beginning of a downward spiral? A sense of anxiety has been maintained among traders regardless of what happens next. How did this fall occur? It appears that the United States government could be involved. A major announcement from the Federal Reserve caused a drop in the value of all cryptocurrencies. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell did not inspire confidence among investors with his cautious comments on interest rates. Rather, he reinforced the central bank's strict stance. Bitcoin and altcoin values fell as a result, leading to a wave of panic selling and massive liquidations. The market was strongly affected by Powell's remarks. Despite its reputation as a safe haven, Bitcoin saw a steep drop and is now back at a crucial support level. Additionally, Comparable pressure was felt by Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and other vicious cryptocurrencies. The magnitude of this sell-off was demonstrated by the increased trading activity as billions of dollars were exchanged, making plans for what could be a lengthy period of high interest rates. Rising borrowing costs have a chilling effect for speculative assets like cryptocurrencies, and the market as a whole is feeling the pinch. But this is what really gets my attention. Institutional investors are unconcerned despite the widespread bad news. More than $55 million in worth. Evidently, BlackRock, a top global investment firm, sees insights that others miss. This kind of purchase is a sign of confidence, not just a random transaction. The mood in the room lifted immediately following the news. Many times, market sentiment is changed by such institutional involvement. People start to pay attention when a major entity like BlackRock does something. Actually, this is quite encouraging news for Shiba Inu. The justification is as follows. When large-scale Bitcoin purchases are made by companies like BlackRock, it goes beyond only Bitcoin transactions. The entire cryptocurrency market is affected by such large investments. All coins, including Shiba Inu, tend to react similarly when Bitcoin swings. Shiba Inu might benefit from an improved environment if BlackRock's purchase helps stabilize or elevate Bitcoin to climb up there too. Still, it covers a lot more ground than just changes in price. The involvement of a prominent institution like BlackRock adds legitimacy to the cryptocurrency industry. Even in the face of recent bad news, individual investors are still confident in the operations of major financial companies. What this means is that cryptocurrencies, much like Shiba Inu, are more than just fads. The global financial system is starting to rely on it more and more. It must also be noted that BlackRock is not your average investor. Avoiding hasty decisions, this firm prudently manages billions of dollars. Cryptocurrency investors who keep putting money into the market are probably anticipating a big opportunity. Their activities show that they are optimistic all the time, maybe as a result of changes in market sentiment, new regulations, or some other reason. For Shiba Inu, the scenario is getting more interesting now. Currencies like Shiba Inu have a lot of room to expand, unlike Bitcoin, which has widespread institutional support. The rise of more speculative assets, such as Shiba Inu, is, however, enabled by the widespread acceptance of Bitcoin by institutions. Increasing burn rates, more inventive developments within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and growing acceptability all point to the project's continued viability in the market. The market has been deluged with negative news, but significant investors are still not fazed. They are, in fact, quietly amassing. Might they be prepared for a major change? Do they have access to knowledge that the general public does not? The future of Shiba Inu is uncertain, but one thing is certain: it will be relevant in the future, and the increased support for cryptocurrencies from institutions bodes well for its potential. Maybe this drop in pricing is not something to be too worried about. According to the expert, Shiba Inu might be on the verge of a full recovery.